Hello, thanks for watching. My name is Joseph Catrona. This video will cover how to install SOLIDWORKS 2020. The very first thing you want to do is head over to the SOLIDWORKS customer portal. You may need to create a SOLIDWORKS ID and choose Login. If this is your first time logging in, you may see padlock symbols next to these options. In that case, you need to register your product first, and you'll need your serial number to do that. Next, I'll choose Downloads and Updates in this large download section of the page. Now, we do have some beta and some older versions of SOLIDWORKS products. It's best to go with the latest and greatest. So I'll choose SOLIDWORKS 2020 Service Pack 3. I can accept the agreement and choose the download button. Now, it's important to know if you're just setting this up and getting things downloaded for someone else or for a later time, this is not the full kit. This is really just the installation manager. So you'll notice that this download was very small, only 30 meg. So I do want to run that at this point, but it will go out and download the rest, which is going to be a large package, over 12 or 13 gigabytes. So I can say open, and this will initialize the SOLIDWORKS installation manager. Unzip. Okay. Now, this message, unfortunately, is shown fairly often in later versions of SOLIDWORKS, and it may or may not be true. I recommend asking yourself, if I've rebooted my machine recently, I'll ignore this message. If not, it's good to take the advice and cancel the installation, reboot, and then continue. On this welcome screen, I highly recommend to choose the last option, download and share all files. This will download the full installation media, everything that would be on a DVD for SOLIDWORKS 2020. This enables me to easily add other products later and share this same download in order to install on other machines, perhaps the server or another workstation. Choose Next. Here I'll need to enter my serial number again. Choose Next. Finally, accept the terms and download now. Once the download completes, we'll get a success message and we can close the installation manager. Next, I'll locate the installation media folder. At the bottom of this package, there's a setup file, and I can right-click as a best practice in order to choose Run as Administrator. This time around in the installation manager, I'll choose the top option, Install on this computer. Verify or enter your serial number, choose Next. A quick review of some of the options and some of the details on this summary page. In the top section, I can choose Change to select specifically what products I would like to install. For example, I can choose whether to include or not include e-drawings and some of these other products that I may or may not intend to use. Choose Back to Summary and Install Now. Installing SOLIDWORKS may take some time depending on your hardware, but eventually we'll see that the installation is complete. The installation manager really walks you through the entire process. I highly recommend using this option, which will show a PDF related to the new features and options available in SOLIDWORKS 2020. And finally, we can choose Finish. Now, there's one more thing to do before SOLIDWORKS is ready to use. And the easiest way to trigger that process is to just open SOLIDWORKS. SOLIDWORKS 2020. Now, upon opening for the first time, we'll see a message about activating the license. When I click Next on this product activation screen, my client installation will go out and communicate over the internet with SOLIDWORKS servers to verify entitlement to the serial number that I have entered. Choose Next again, and the resulting screen shows that my product is activated. And that's that. You can expect to spend some time waiting on the download and the machine to install, but the steps are relatively straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or leave a comment here on our YouTube channel. Thanks.